let's see what games we have here today. Let's see what we can play. Oh, let's play this game. Perfect. Let's check it out. Wow, this looks great. I can't wait to play. We have so many colors to choose from. I wonder which one I should choose. Let's go with blue. Alright, let's get this started. Let's get this started. Alright, here we go! Alright, I'm having fun and I'm driving. Let's pull a sick donut right here. Yay! I'm really doing it! I'm really pulling off the sickest donut ever! Yes! Alright, this is one sick donut here. I can't wait. This is so good and so fun. Yes! This is very exciting. Yay! I'm actually teleporting back and I'm still doing a donut. Yes! Now this is very exciting. Alright, let's get sloping! This is gonna be exciting. Okay, watch out for that. Speed up, here we go! Wow, this is pretty crazy. Oh, make sure I get the obstacle in time. Here we go! Speed up again. Wow, this is getting intense. Watch out for the red blocks. Alright, let's do this. I'm going down the slope very